Okay, this video is done as a this video is done on the foundation design of tall buildings in SAVE as a part of project assignment for the Skyfi Labs online course by Nishma Mohanan. So, to get the foundation design, we should find the loads applied to the foundation. So, we can go to the E tabs. In E tabs, in model explorer, in tables, you can go to analysis result, in which we will go for element output, frame output, element forces of the column. Show table. So the table will be come. So we want to find out the forces search story 1. So select the story 1 flow. Then load case, we can select the dead load case. So go for dead load. Then in station we can go for sort ascending. So you will get the column loads from here. These are the column loads till C16. So we know that our plan is as such. So C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C8 and C9, C10, C11, C12, like that everything is given with 6 meter spacing in between in X and Y direction. Uh, and the details exported from the ETAMs are shown here, that C1 has the dimension 500 by 500, C2 500, C6 600 by 600, C7 600 by 600. These details will be shown in the these details are got from the ETAMs. Here we had selected live load, and now we can change the output cases to, here we had selected dead load, so now we can change it to live load, so the live load will be shown. And these are the details of the loads given got from the ETAMs. So now we can go to save software. From file we can click new model, change the design code to IS 456 2000, units, metric default, okay, design preferences, minimum covers 50, 50, preferred bar size as 22, click OK. In project information you can type the information if required. Now I am not typing. Then you can click the grid only option. Now we want to find the number of grid lines in X direction and number of grid lines in Y direction. Here the number of grid lines are 19 and here again 19 with the spacing of 1 meter. It is for fixing the columns where the total length is 16 into 3 18 meters. So grid lines will be 18 plus 1 19. That is shown here 19 in y direction also 18 plus 1 so 19, so with grid spacing of 1 meter. Then click on OK. So grids have been drawn. Now we can define the materials. Go to define materials, add new material, click the material name as concrete, add new material, material name as M40, material type as concrete, and weight per unit length as 20 sorry 25 kilonewton per meter cube, and modulus of elasticity as 316 to 2.7, Poisson's ratio is zero point 0.2, coefficient of thermal expansion 0.00055, shear modulus is also okay. Compressive strength is 40. Click on OK. Again add new material. Now we want to define HYSD 500 bar, material type as rebar, weight per unit volume as 77, modulus of elasticity 2 into 10 raised to 5, FYS 500, FUS 545. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now again go to define slab properties, add new property, property name mat footing M40, type as mat, thickness as 500. Click on OK. Click on OK as well. Now click on define column properties, add new property, um, column name, sorry, column 500 by 500, material M40, here also 500 by 500. Click on OK. Again add new property, column 600 by 600, here again 600 by 600. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now again go to define soil subgrade properties, add new property, here property as subgrade modulus, soil properties, soil, name as soil, subgrade modulus will be found out as SBC by build settlement. Here SBC is taken as 300 kilonewton per meter square by 1 centimeter, so you'll get 3 into 10 raised to 5. So substitute here 3e to the 10 raised to power of 3e04. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Now we can draw the slab. So go to draw, slab areas, check the property as mat footing, then click at the first point, then and the second, again here, here, here. Click on escape. Now you had drawn the mat slab. So this is the inside area of the building. Now click at the inside, check one area and 4, adjust are selected, go to edit areas, expand or shrink areas, change the offset value as 2 meter, that is 2000 mm. Click on OK. Now it has increased to 2 meters. So now we can draw the columns. Go to draw, columns, uh, change the property below as none and property above as 500 by 500 and height below as 0 and height above as 2. Okay, now we can draw. So from the details, it's seen that C6, C7, and C10 and C11. They are the central columns of the building, which are 600 by 600. So the outer column will be 500 by 500. So we can start from here, the first column. Now we can see the meters. The spacing is 6 meters center to center. So after 6 meter we can space the other column. Again after 6 meter, next column. Again after 6 meter, next column. Here too, after 6 meter you can keep the next column, and inner columns are, since the inner columns are 600 by 600, we can keep this outer column. Then after 6 meter, next column. Here the other column. Again after oh, after 6 meter, next column. Then again after 6 meter, next column. 6 meter column, 6 meter, 6 meter. Here again 6 meter. You can check it. Okay. Now we can change this property to 600 by 600 and place the column here. 6 meter, 6, 6, and 6. So now he had drawn the columns. Click on escape button. Now we can draw these strips. So go to draw design strips. So strip A. To find out the strip width, we can go to this formula. The column strip width will be equal to 0.25 L1 or L2, whichever is less. So here L1 and L2 is 18, so the strip width will be 4.5. We had rounded it to 4 meter. So we are providing strip width of 4 meter. So change the value as 4, 4, 4, and 4 as well. Now we can draw it. So from this point, escape. Sorry, draw design strip. Here, right click, then again here, right click, Right click. Now change the strip as strip B and draw in the horizontal vertical direction. Now click here and draw till here and right click. Click and draw till this point and right click. Right click. So we had drawn 80 strips. Click on escape button. Now we want to assign the loads to the assign loads and support conditions to the foundation. So go to assign. Sorry. First of all, click the slab area. Check whether the area is selected. Go to assign support data soil properties. Click on soil and OK. The soil properties has got added. Now we can assign the loads. So click on the center point of the column. This is C1. We can check the load C1 1850. Go to assign load data point load dead load dead load அல்லது yeah dead load is 1850. So upon gravity we get 1850, right? And change the punching dimension to 500 by 500. Click on OK. Now again click on the point, go to assign load data point load, change the dead to live and assign the load as 797.6. 797.6. Click on OK. Now click the next point. One point is selected. Go to assign load data point load for live at C2. The load is 1437. 1437, right? 1437. Punching shear is same. Click on OK. Now again select at that point. Go to assign load data point load. Change live to dead. What is the dead load? 3013.3. 3013.3. Click on OK. Now at C4, select the point. Go to assign load data point load. What is the value of C3? C3 the value is 2760.8. 2760.8. Click on OK. Again click on the same point, go to assign, load data, point load, change the dead to live and look for the live load. It is 1302.2. 1302.2. Click on OK. Now click on the next column. Go to assign, go to load data, point load. Check for the point load. C4 live load is 438.9. 438.9. 438.9. Click on OK. Now again click on that point. Go to assign, load data, point load, change live to dead. What is the dead load of C4? C4 is 1006. 1000.6. So 1000.6. Click on OK. Now select the C5 point. Go to assign, load data, point load. Okay. Dead load of C5 is 3302.7. 3302.7. 3302.7. Click on OK. Again click on the same point. Go to assign, load data, point load. What is C5 live load? 1534.5. 1000 1534.4. Click on OK. Now for C6 and C7 the punching value is different, so we can go for C8. Go to assign, load data, point load. What is the live load of C8? 1300.3. 1300.3. Click on OK. Again click on the same point and go to assign, load data, point load. Click on that. What is the dead load of 2752.1? 2752. 2752.1. Click on OK. Now we can go to C9. Okay, what is the load of C9? C9. Go to assign, load data, point load. Dead load of C9 is 3128.8. 3128.8. Click on OK. Again click on the point, go to assign, load data, point load. Change the load to live load, then check the live load. 1426.6. 1426.6. 1426.6. Click on OK. 9, 10, 11. Sorry. 9. This was C8, C9. Now C10, C11 are punching shear will be C600. So we want to go for C 12. Go to assign load data, point load. For C12, the point load is live load is 1425.6. 1425.6. Click on OK. Now again click on the same point. Oh, no. Click on escape. Click on the point. Click on the point. Go to assign load data, point load. Change to dead. What is the dead load of C12? 2969. 2969. Click on OK. Now go to next point. Go to assign load data, point load. For dead load. Dead load of C13 is 1004.8. 1044. 1044 point, sorry, 1044.8. Click on OK. Okay. Now again click on the point. Go to assign load data, point load. Change to live. And what is the live load of C13? 453.6. 453.6. Click on OK. Now click on the next point. Go to assign load data, point load. What is the live load of C13? Not 13. C14. Live load is 1320.7. 1320.7. Click on OK. Again click on that point. Click on escape. Strip code select. Oh no. Okay. Go to assign. Go to assign load data, point load. Change to dead. The value will be 2819.5. 281, sorry, 19.5. Click on OK. Now click on the next point. Go to assign load data, point load. Sys 15 point load is dead load is 2996.1. 299, sorry, 2996.1. 2996.1. Click on OK. Again select the same point. Go to assign load data, point load. change the load as live. And what is the live load? 1433.9. 1433.9. Click on OK. Now click on the next point. Go to assign, load data, point load. What is the load? Live load is 769.8. 769.8. Click on OK. Click on same point. Go to assign, load data, point load. Change to that. What is the load? 1764.1. 1764.1. Click on OK. Now we can assign the central columns load. Click on the point. Go to assign, load data, point load, dead load. OK. What is the load of 65414.9? 541, sorry, 14.9. Change the punching shear dimension to 600 by 600. Click on OK. Select the same point and go to assign, load data, point load. Change the date to live. This is the live load of CC 2797.8. 2797.8. Click on OK. Now click on the next point. Go to assign, load data, point load. This is the live load of it 2579.8. 2579.8. Click on OK. Again click on the same point. Go to assign, load data, change live to dead. What is the dead load? 4977.2. 4977.2. Click on OK. Now click on the next point. Go to assign, load data, point load. C10 value is 5154.6. 5154.6. Click on OK. Click on the same point. Go to assign, load data, point load. Change the date to live. Then 2644. 2644. Click on OK. Again click on this point. Go to assign, load data, point load, live load. What is next live load? 2709.1. 279.1. Click on OK. Again click on that point. Go to assign, load data, point load. Is the load? Dead load 5191.3. 5191.3. Click on OK. Now we can try and click and see. right click on the column so you can see the dead load as well as live loads, dead loads and live loads assigned to different columns. Okay, now we can change the properties, reinforcement properties to HYSD 500. Click on OK. Now click on the strips, right click, change to HYSD 500. Okay, again right click. Now the reinforcements of the strips as well as the columns and slabs has been changed to HYSD 500. Uh, Everything is set, so we can go to run analysis. Okay, we should save the file before go for running analysis. So it will be saved there. And the analysis has been completed. Now we can go to run analysis and design. Okay, design has been completed. So go to display, show punching. Here the failure value here it's greater than 1. So go unlock the model, click on OK, go to define slab properties, modify or show property, change this to 1200, click on OK, click on OK, again go to run analysis and design. Again go to display, show punch here. Now values is less than 1, so the design is safe. We can view the extruded view. Click on extruded view, click on OK, then click on 3D. You can see the extruded view of the uh, slab, mean footing and foundation. Now we can change the that's by itself plan view. You can use the extruded view. Now to see the results, we can go to display, show strip forces, click on any forces, layer A, apply. You can see the forces in layer A for dead load, for live load, moments. Uh, Similarly for layer B, you can see that shear as well. Even both can be seen at a time. Okay. Similarly, we can see the slab forces. Go to display slab forces. Can click any one. Click on any load cases. Click on apply. So the lab forces will be there. You can move the cursors and see the values, as well as you can see the crack width, of bottom face. If you want to see that, select any load cases, click on apply. You can see crack width to the power of 3, which is negligible even at the top face of the slab. You can see all these results. Just close. To get detailing result, we can go to run detailing, click everything and click on OK. So here it is showing the detailing component. uh, yeah, here you'll get the rebar plan, top plan, bottom plan, sections, reinforcement profile can be seen. Even rebar table, which shows the details of rebars, schedules, bill of quantities, everything can be seen from this detailing folder. So thereby completing our project of design of foundation. Thank you.